Hello there, my name is Omkar Sharma. Welcome to my channel The Health Wish. In this channel you will find some genuine reviews and genuine talks about some health related products out there. So in this video we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is, what if I carry a lean belly juice does not work for me? You know, it is not necessary that anything you purchase online will work for you, and it's a very common thing. So you will definitely think before buying this I carry a lean belly juice that what if this doesn't work for me? What should I do next? Because you already put your money in it and now it is not working for you. Then what should you do? What you should do now? What will be your next step? So in this video I will give you the exact answer of your question, that what should I do if this I carry a lean belly juice doesn't work for me? What should be my next step? So let's get straight into it. So the company of this I carry a lean belly juice is very confident that you will get benefit from this I carry a lean belly juice. However, if this I carry a lean belly juice is less than satisfying for you, feel free to contact them directly to request a prompt refund of your purchase. Result vary from every man or woman. It may take you longer to notice the positive effect, or it may be quicker. If this I carry a lean belly juice gets amazing results for many people, the company knows that no supplements or medicines has 100% success rate. That's why you are covered by their 180 days money back guarantee, satisfaction 180 days money back guarantee. No, it is not necessary that everything you take will work for you. Everybody has a different body, different genes, different health conditions. So it is not necessary that this I carry a lean belly juice will work for you, but it is not necessary that this I carry a lean belly juice will not work for you. Look, if you go to the doctor and the doctor gave you some medicines, he will never tell you that this medicine will work for you 100%, because there is nothing like 100%, and that's it. So if you don't like this I carry a lean belly juice, or if it doesn't work for you, then you can just return it within 180 days of buying it. They are giving you 180 days of money back satisfaction guarantee. So if you want to try this I carry a lean belly juice, make sure to click the link in the description. It will redirect you to my page and you will find everything you need to know about this I carry a lean belly juice, like pros of this I carry a lean belly juice, cons of this I carry a lean belly juice, and reviews of some real users, and my review of this I carry a lean belly juice as well. And you will get 77% off in price. So if you want to check out this I carry a lean belly juice and you want to get the 77% discount, then click the link in the description. And thanks for watching this video. If the information I given to you is informative to you, then like the video and subscribe this channel for more genuine talks like this. Take care, and I will see you in a bit.